Corolla GLI looks completely worn out, but today, we're bringing it back to life. Years of damage, rust, and neglect have taken over this car, but with the right tools, anything is possible. Step 1. Deep cleaning. Removing dirt and buildup to reveal the true condition underneath. Next, we move to the engine, fixing worn-out components and restoring performance back to life. Now the bodywork begins, removing dents and sanding rough surfaces for a fresh new look. A brand new paint job transforms everything, smooth, shiny, and like it just came out of the factory. The interior gets a full makeover too. Clean seats, polished dashboard, and a fresh feel inside. And here it is, from completely worn out to fully restored. This Corolla is back on the road, better than ever.